So we have learned a lot of things in the bug bounty hunting course. This course is not only for bug bounty, but it's also for a pen testing skill to improve your pen testing skill. Okay, so we mainly covered Ports with the labs, Burp Suite, and some Kali Linux tools and GitHub tools which help us in bug bounty, right? So if you got a target, for example, our target is facebook.com. What will be your first thing you have to do? First thing, you have to find all the subdomains of this target. Okay, subdomain of the target. And after that, you have to choose a single subdomain. For example, admin.facebook.com is our subdomain, right? We will got thousands of subdomain or 10 plus subdomains, right? So within these 10 subdomains we have to choose one domain. Okay, for example this one. So we have to do derb or directory listing on that particular subdomain. Okay, first we have to find all the subdomain and we have to choose a subdomain from that. After that we have to do directory listing. This is the second step. In the third step, we have to find all technologies that is used in the particular site. We can use Weblaser or we can use Nmap. Okay, and if for by using Nmap, we will get all the open ports technology, or you can use Nmap. Okay, open ports and the service running on that and the version of that service, everything we will get it. Okay, so we have to find the technologies or port or the service that using in that particular domain. That the second step. And in the fourth step we have to find maximum information such as IP address, then CNAME record, AA record, everything. We have to find all the details. For example, information gathering. It's like information gathering. Okay, and in the fifth stage, we can go for, yeah, we have already mentioned the Nmap. Oops, one second. Nmaps comes here. Okay, and in the next step, we can go for Google Docking. Okay, Google Docking is best, and also we can go for GitHub Docking, and we can go for Shodan Docking. Fine. Okay, so after these things, these are the basic things that we have to do at first when we got a target. After these things, we can go for our OWASP top 10. Okay, first thing we have to find whether there is any comment box or whether there is a search bar or whether there is a chat box. We have to find the particular things like that. Then only we can implement the things that we learned in the Portspeaker lab. Okay, a WASP top 10 or any vulnerability that you can exploit. And after doing all these, still you didn't get any bug, you can follow the bug bounty reports. Follow the same step of the bug bounty report. For example, in Gmail, there is a bug in the file uploading section. Okay, file upload section, there is a bug which triggers cross-site scripting. Okay, so I have that bug bounty report. After reading this, we can implement the exact same step in Yahoo Mail. We can upload the same file on the Yahoo. We can check whether there is a cross-site scripting triggered there or not. Okay, so we have to follow the bug bounty reports. We have to follow the exact same step of that. Okay, fine. Finally, we have to submit those bug to the particular company. Or we can use, oh yeah, okay, we can also use automated scanners. There are so many automated scanners available in the GitHub also. You can use that. This is the basic and simple step that we need to follow as a bug bounty hunter. Fine. Okay. So this will be our last video, and if you have any doubt related to this course, or if you have any doubt related to your cybersecurity career, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. In the next video, we will talk about our certification and also about our project. Okay, thank you. That's all.